Creating a multi-step email campaign in Mailchimp is a great way to automate your email marketing and engage your audience with personalized content. Stick around because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that, step by step, with Mailchimp's powerful features. First, let's dive into the Mailchimp dashboard. To get started, you'll need to create a new campaign. This is as easy as clicking the Create Campaign button and choosing Email. From here, you'll be prompted to choose the type of email campaign. You want to select the Automated option because we're building a multi-step campaign. Next thing, you'll be asked to choose an automation type. Since we're focusing on a multi-step campaign, you'll want to select Custom under the Automation workflows. This gives you full control over how many steps your campaign will have and what triggers those steps. The fourth thing you'll need to do is set up the triggers for each step. Triggers are actions that cause the next email in your campaign to send. You can set up triggers based on things like when someone subscribes to your list or when they click a link in one of your previous emails. These triggers are vital because they ensure your emails are sent to the right people at the right time. Next, let's move on to customizing the emails for each step. In Mailchimp, you can easily drag and drop elements to create your email content. You can add text, images, buttons, and even products if you're running an e-commerce business. It's super easy, and with the drag and drop interface, you don't need to be a design expert to create an attractive email. Now, let's talk about timing. Timing is essential for a successful multi-step campaign. After you've set up your email content, you'll need to choose how much time should pass before each email is sent. You can choose from a range of options, like sending emails immediately after a trigger or scheduling them for a specific day and time. Make sure to keep the spacing between your emails consistent to avoid overwhelming your subscribers. The last thing you'll want to do is review everything. Double-check your email content, triggers, and timings to make sure everything looks good. Don't forget to test your emails before hitting Start Campaign. You can send test emails to yourself or your team to make sure the campaign flows smoothly. And here's a pro tip. You can use Mailchimp for free. That's right, you can create and manage your multi-step campaigns at no cost, and we've got an exclusive offer for an extended free trial. Just check the first link below to get started with Mailchimp and access those exclusive bonuses. And that's it. Creating a multi-step email campaign in Mailchimp is straightforward once you break it down. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up your campaign, customize your emails, and automate your marketing efforts with ease. Don't forget to check out that link below to start using Mailchimp with our exclusive extended trial.